The F6E3 aircode on a Maytag washer indicates a communication issue between the control boards, the control unit, or the user interface. This issue can be caused by faulty wiring between the control unit and the user interface, or a faulty control and user interface. To fix the problem, start by resetting the machine. Power it off, unplug it from the power supply, and cut the circuit breaker for about 1 minute. Then, reconnect the power and restart the unit, checking to see if the code appears within the next minute. If the issue persists, try replacing the control and user interface connections. To do this, unplug the machine from the power supply and disassemble it, removing each connector one at a time and replacing the control and user interfaces as needed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the F6E3 aircode issue on your Maytag washer.